Okay, so these are the answers. I think the number 11, this is what we have to change it to. I think it was B. Okay, so B. It has to be B. All right, so I will rectify it before I send you the file. And then these are some questions on the review preference. Okay, the next time that we'll do micro, we'll look at them. So you just try and go through. I'm sure most of them you just find the answers in the notes. I think this one is still under the ordinalist approach, the decomposition. So you can try your hands on this ones too. The next time we meet, if you have a question, then we try to answer them.